So much of the cooking in our kitchen draws inspiration from what we've discovered and tasted around the world. And in this recipe, I'm whisked off to sunnier climes and my favourite Mediterranean eateries with a delicious chicken Traybake, bursting with so much sunny flavour to enjoy any day of the year. This dish is a full dinner prepared in one tray using Epicure's Mediterranean seasoning mix and a few simple ingredients. Start by getting the oven on and preheat to 200 degrees C on the fan or gas mark 4 on the flame. Today I'm cooking for 4 people, so let's get started. Place 8 chicken thighs in a bowl and sprinkle over all the Epicure seasoning. Mix together with a tiny drizzle of olive oil, coat evenly so every bit's covered and set aside. Peel and wedge 800 grams of potatoes. Peel and wedge 1 red onion. Count out 12 baby plum or cherry tomatoes. Prepare 100 grams of stoneless olives and weigh out 100 grams of feta cheese. Right, we're going to need a good sized roasting pan for this. You don't want to cram it all in, you want to get it all nicely cooked all the way through. First, we place the potato wedges in the roasting tray with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a sprinkle of salt and pepper to season. Turn to coat, then roast in the oven for 20 minutes. Set your timer so you don't overcook. Right, it's now time to add in the red onion and the marinated chicken. Give it all a good mix and pop back in the oven to roast for a further 20 minutes, and again set that timer. Now for an extra splash of the med with a lovely scattering of olives and juicy little tomatoes. Increase the heat a little, roasting for a further 20 minutes. How amazing does this look? Smells even better. The chicken should be cooked through, crispy and golden. Now all that's left is to crumble over the soft tangy feta cheese. Yum, ready to serve. Our Mediterranean chicken Traybake is so easy to create, looks simply stunning and a taste that evokes those warm evenings by the Med. Relax and let the oven take the strain, just how home cooking should be. Cheers.